ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवत्वश्वतोमुखम्
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तुभम् च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः
ऐवन् ऋलक् ए ओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् लण् ञमाङणम् जभै घडदश् जबगडदश् खपचठथ चटतौ कपै चषसर् हल् अकुग विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः इचुयशानां तालु ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ Here you can see upadmaniyana. I'm doing the sandhi here when I read upadmaniyana. I read u plus u. What will happen? U plus U.
दीर्घ उ
That's not
Savarna
a
dirgha sandhi.
Savarna dirgha.
दीर्घ उ
Dirgha U.
U.
Dirgha U, not pakara cannot be dirgha. Dirgha U. So U plus U becomes U. That is what I chanted. Upu padmaniyanam oshtau iti.
Upu padmaniyanam oshtau.
Yamangananam nasika cha.
Nyamangananam
nasika
cha.
Edaitogo kanthathalu.
Edaitoho
kanthathalu
Odautogo kantha oshtam.
Odautoho kantha oshtam
Karasya danta oshtam.
Bakarasya danta oshtam
Jakhva moliyasya jakhva molyam.
Jiह्वामूल्यस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
Mulyam.
Nasikānusvārasya.
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
What sandhi?
Savarna dirgha sandhi.
Nasika plus anusvarasya. Nasika plus a. You can apply. You can apply sandhi. But understand, by sandhi we don't make into a one word. We join the two words, but they remain as two only. Okay. They cannot become one word. It is not a single word. If it is a single word, then you cannot split it. It can be split. It means two words. So nasika is one word. What is the pratipadikam of nasika? Anybody?
It is pullinga, strilinga word.
strilinga.
Very good. It is strilinga. Rama shabdavat. Yes. Nasika, Rama shabda. Rama, Rame, Ramaha. Nasika, Nasike, Nasika. Nasika means nose.
Yeah.
Anusvarasya, what vibhakti is that?
Shashti
Ramasya
Ramasya.
Yeah.
So Ramasya, sorry, Anusvarasya, Nasika. Anusvara have Nasika or have nose. Have nose means what? Have nose as Uchcharana Sthanam. The same way all other words. Kantaha Akuka Visarjaniyanam. What is the pratipadika of Akuka Visarjaniyanam? We saw this
Ramana.
Yes. So Ramanam Akuka Visarjaniya is a pratipadika. Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachanam like Ramanam Akuka Visarjaniyanam. Kantaha is 1-1. Okay. That is how it is to be understood. Ramo Rajamanis Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje.
Ramo Rajamani
Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje.
Ramena Bhigata Nishacharachamuh Ramaya Tasmai Namaha.
Ramaya tasmai namaha.
Ramanasti parayanam parataram Ramasya dasosmyaham.
Ramanastiparayanam parataram Ramasya
dasosmyaham.
Rame chittalayas sada bhavatu me Gora mama muddhara.
Rame
Chittalayas sada bhavatu me Gora muddhara.
In the last class, what Shabda we chanted? I think we chanted some Sarvanama Shabda.
Sarvanama Shabda.
Today we will do Rama Shabda. So all these Shabdas you will be knowing by heart now. Only one Shabda a week. It's just a refreshing. And we'll be introducing new Shabdas soon. Akarantaha Strilingaha Rama Shabdaha
आकारन्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः रमाशब्दः
रमा रमे रमाः
रमा रमे रमाः
रमां रमे रमाः
रमां रमे रमाः
रमया रमाभ्यां रमाभिः
रमया रमाभिः
रमायै रमाभ्यां रमाभ्यः
रमायै
रमाभ्यः
रमायाः रमाभ्यां रमाभ्यः
रमायाः रमाभ्यां रमाभ्यः
रमायाः रमयोगो रमाणाम्
रमायाः रमयोः रमाणाम्
रमायां रमयोगो रमासु
रमायोः रमासु
हे रमे हे रमे हे रमाः
हे रमे
हे
रमाः
Okay. Now you can mute your mic. We are seeing the Sandhi topic. We know what Sandhi is. Varnanam atisayitaha sannidhihi samhita. The close proximity of the letter is called samhita. Samhita is called by the word Sandhi. Both are same. Samhita is a technical word. Sandhi is the word which we use in the Vyavahara to denote Samhita. Samhita meaning close proximity of the letters. Because of the close proximity, a significant change will happen. That is also called Sandhi. So there are different types of Sandhi. Swara Sandhi, that is Ach Sandhi, Vowel Sandhi, and Hal Sandhi, Consonant Sandhi, and Visarga Sandhi. So three important types of Sandhis. And the important terms what we already we are familiar with, Sthani, Adesha, these are important terms. Sthani is that which is replaced. It's called Sthani. That which replaces is called Adesha. Simple definition of Sthani, Adesha. And Swara Sandhi we have seen Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. When Ak is followed by Savarna Ak, Ak refers to the group of letters denoted by the Pratyahara Ak. A, I, U, R, L. A means it stands for the long vowel also. You have to bring in the long vowel also. Even though it is not mentioned, it is understood. A means long vowel also. So Ak, you have to refer the Mageshwar Sutra. Ayun, that A, I, U, R, L. So these are the letters. When this letter is followed by Savarna, Savarna meaning similar. Similarity in terms of pronunciation, Uchcharana Sthanam. That we studied just now. Akavasarjaniyanam Kantaha iti. So if these are same, then it is considered to be Savarna. So if Ak is followed by Savarna, it means when A is followed by A, I is followed by I, U is followed by U, that is the meaning. Then both will be replaced by Savarna Ak. Savarna, corresponding Savarna Dirgha letter. That is Ach Sandhi. That is Savarna Dirgha Sandhi with an Ach Sandhi. After that, we saw Yen Sandhi. We are seeing Yen Sandhi. We are going to see some more examples. Sandhi Vichedam. What is the Sthani in Yen Sandhi? Anybody?
The last letter of the
the last letter of the Purva Padam.
What is that? Ik. Sthani means that is Ik. Adesha is
Yan.
N. N is the Adesha. Ik is I, U, R, L. They will be replaced correspondingly by
Yavara.
Yavara. So N is the Adesha. When does it happen?
N followed by Asavarna Ach.
Yes.
Ik followed by.
Followed by
Ik followed by
Asavarna Ach.
Asavarna Ach.
Yeah.
It should not be Savarna Ach. If it's Savarna Ach, then becomes Dirgha Sandhi.
Dirgha Sandhi.
Okay, that is why I added the word Asavarna. For your understanding, I added Asavarna. Even if Asavarna is not there, you have to understand when Ik is followed by Ach means it is Asavarna Ach. You have to include only the Ach which are not Savarna to Ik. Okay. Then N Sandhi. N is, Ik will be replaced by N letters, semi-vowels. Unlike the Savarna Dirgha, here the last letter of the first word is the Sthani. In Savarna Dirgha, both are Sthani. Both are replaced. But here it is not like that. Only the last letter of the first word is replaced. Okay. So which one we have to do? Sandhi Vichedam?
Yeah, page 34.
Yes.
Guruji.
Okay. From here, right? Okay.
Yeah, Sandhi Vichedam.
Okay. Each one of you can do 5 words. Many words are there. Now, Manjulaji can do. She will answer, she will read. If you ask others, then others can answer.
Guruji,
We cannot see the screen.
yeah, Guruji, we can't see.
Okay. Lataji, please you can mute your mic. There's some noise.
Yeah, Guruji. Ityasti. Iti plus asti. Dhvanyartha. Dhvanyartha. Dhvani plus artha. Anvatishtat. Anvu. Anu plus atishtat.
Good. That is what it is.
Yeah, Guruji.
Va is, sir, you have to see Va as Anu. Anu plus Atishtat, Anvatishtat. Vakara is the Adesha, semi-vowel. So in what place Vakara must have gone? It must have gone in the place of U. Therefore, Anu. And Va is there, I is there. Therefore, Atishtat. It's good. You have to take like that. Yes.
Atyavashyakam. Ati plus avashyakam. Vyapakam. Vi plus apakam.
Yes. Next person. Patmaji.
Ityuktam. Iti plus uktam. Uktam. Ityadini. Iti plus adini. Vyayama. Vyayamaha. V plus ayamaha.
Yes. Good.
Karyanya vashyam. This I'm not sure. I'm going to try. Karya an vashyam.
It is not Savarna Dirgha.
Oh. This is what I got stumped. So
Karya is Napumsakalinga. Napumsakalinga word. Now listen. Karya is Napumsakalinga word. You can decline the word Karya, like Napumsakalinga. How do you decline?
Oh God. How do I?
Pala Shabda, how do you decline?
Palam pale palani.
Same way, Karya you decline.
Palam pale karyam palam karyam karye karyani.
Now Karyani you said. You split now.
Okay. Karyani avashyam.
Karyani plus
Karyani plus an vashyam. Oh God, hang on 1 second. I'm not. I have to. Karyani plus avashyam.
That's what it is.
Okay. Karyani. How did you know that I have to decline that? I didn't get it. Can you explain what makes it? So I have to do the Pratipadikam, Karya, Napumsa. You have to look for the lingams. That's why I do that. I didn't understand that, Sharanji. If you could explain, that would be great. Why did we do Karyani Avashyam? Karyani.
You should know the words to split. Otherwise, not possible.
Oh, I see. Okay. Thank you.
How do you know the words? Only by knowing the language. How do you know the language? By knowing the grammar. Okay.
Yeah, Karyani. Okay.
This is a
The
catch
last
22
one.
situation.
You want me to do the last one, the other one, or?
Yes.
Utyachara. Sorry, atyachara. Ati plus acharaha.
Achara.
Oh, sorry, achara. I expanded it, but still I'm missing it. Oh, okay. Ati plus acharaha. Yes, ati plus acharaha is atyacharaha.
Atyachara. Okay, next person. Kausalya.
God, sorry. Acharaha. I've written acharaha, but I'm spelling it wrong. I'm sorry.
दानेष्वभ्यप्रदानं दानेषु प्लस अभ्यप्रदानं
Abhayapradana.
अभयप्रदानं अध्यात्मम् अधि प्लस आत्मं व्याधात व्यादात
Vyaghata. Hurt.
व्याघात ओके बी प्लस आघात प्रत्यागच्छति प्रति प्लस आगच्छति
But one more word is there before. Pratyalochanam.
प्रत्यालोचनम ओके प्रति प्लस आलोचनम
Yes. Okay, next person.
Guruji,
Yeah.
I didn't get my turn, Guruji. Girija?
Where is your name comes later, I think. No?
No, before Kaushalya ji.
Before Kausalya. No, your name is not in the chat. I don't see it. Your name, Girija ji, it's not there at all in the chat. Please type your name again. The chat box, it is not there. I don't see it. Next person is Priyaji. Yeah, please read.
Yes, Sri. Sakyagamanam. Sakhi plus agamanam.
Yes.
Is that correct? Okay. Ityuktva iti plus uktva.
Yes, that's what it is.
Okay. Next. Akshnatyanam.
N Sandhi. You have to find where the semi-vowel is. N letter is.
Akshi. How do I do it?
Akshi.
No. I don't know this one.
Which is, where is the N letter in this word?
Akshna.
No, you understand my question. Where is the N
Okay.
letter? N, where is the N letter? There you split. But you are
In the,
stucking at the Nash there itself. Where is the N letter in this?
Oh, okay. Akshnati.
Hmm.
Akshnati. Annam.
Annam.
Yes, correct.
Yes.
Okay.
You have to see where N letter is. Don't try to
Yes.
get stuck in the beginning itself. If you see
Okay.
some difficult pungent consonant.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Nyavasat. What's that? Nyavasat. Ni plus avasat.
Avasar. Yes.
Correct.
Yeah.
Anvaya. Ani plus avaya.
Ani.
Anvaya.
Pakara is there.
Anu plus avaya.
Anu plus avaya. Why avaya?
Anvaya.
Anu.
Anu
Plus-
is correct.
Yes. Anu is
Anu
correct.
plus avaya, not a.
Avaya, it will come. Think. Anu plus Avaya, what will be? Anvavaya it will be. If it is Avaya, then it will be Anvavaya. Two Vakara will be there. Only one is there. Anu plus Aya.
Oh, okay.
Next person, Shruti.
Yes, Guruji. Upari, upari, upari plus upari.
Yes.
Svalpa, su plus alpa. Ityapi, oh sorry. Apyataha, api plus yataha. Ataha, ityapi, iti plus api. Vadva vahanam. Vadva vahanam. Vadhu plus avahanam.
Yes. Avaganam is inviting.
Yes.
Vadhu is the bride. Inviting the bride. Next person, Jyotiji.
Guruji, 1 second, Guruji. The word before 6 words, I think. Nyavasat.
Ni plus Avasat.
Yeah, Guruji. Is it new plus asat also, right?
No. There is no word new.
New, no word. Okay,
Ni
Guruji.
plus Avasat only it is. Avasat only is the word.
Yeah. Okay, Guruji.
When we split, it should be meaningful. It should be available in the language.
Yeah, Guruji.
Yes. Next person.
Yes, Guruji. Vyartha, V plus Artha, Tarvarohanam, Taru plus Arohanam,
Good.
Vyapadayati, V plus Apadayati, Evaihi, Ehi.
Yes. Ehi plus Ehi. Others, please watch these words. How you get Tarva, Taru plus Aroganam, she split. Repa has come. Taru plus Aroganam, Tarva Aroganam. Good. Continue.
Atyanta, Ati plus Anta.
Yes. Next person now. Rajaji.
Yeah. So ityeva, idi plus eva.
Iti, not idi.
Iti plus eva. Tvapi, tu plus api. Swagata, su plus agata.
Good.
Datrasti.
Datrasti.
Datru plus asti.
Good. Yes.
Abhyantaram. Abhi plus antaram.
Yes. Next person. Good. Rajeshwari.
Kathayatvam.
Kathayatyayam.
Kathayatyayam. Kathi plus yatyayam.
There is
No,
Kathi.
sorry. No, it's no use. Sorry.
The Kriya Padam you have to see. And also another word you will know it. This, the word this is hidden in that. The English.
Kathayat plus atyayam.
No. The word this is hidden. The word this. What is the word for this in Sanskritam?
This. Sorry.
What is the word for this in Sanskritam? Idam, you know?
Idam.
Ayam.
Idam.
So ayam is there. Ayam, you find out the ayam. You find out ayam and you will get the other word. Rajeshwari, do it.
Yes.
Ayam is the last word. What is the word preceding that?
Kathayat plus ayam.
Kathayat plus ayam will be kathayatayam.
Kathayat.
Not,
Sorry, I stuck here.
ayam you split. What is left out?
Ayam.
In kathayatyayam, ayam you remove it. So what is left out?
Kathayati.
Yes,
No,
that's what it is. Kathayati.
Yeah.
Kathayati plus ayam. Kathayatyayam.
Kathayati plus ayam.
Right?
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you. Mitrani api. Mitra plus mitrani plus yapi.
Mitrani plus Yapi.
Yapi. No, mitrani plus api.
Api, yes.
Mitrani plus api. Mitrani api.
Then
Anveshana. Anya. No. Anvesha. An plus avish. No. Anvesh.
Vakara is what is Vakara consists of? Vakara consists of?
Veshana.
Vakara has come in the place of U.
Yes. Anveshanam.
Vakara come in the place of U. So U and plus the vowel is there in the way the vowel is there. A is there.
An plus uvesha? No. Sorry. I have to practice.
Almost I said the answer. Okay. More than that, what will I say? I said the answer. Vakara has come in the place of U, I said. So U plus A. Now U you have to join with the preceding consonant. In the place of Ukara, Vakara has come. Okay. In the place of Ukara, Vakara has come.
Ushena.
All different possibilities are trying.
So really I'm stuck.
Nothing is that to stuck.
I have to practice more.
It is simple. Nothing is that to stuck. See, I'm trying my best to get the answer from your mouth. Let us see. Anveshanam is there, but Vakara is there, right? There's Vakara.
Anva plus Ushena? No.
Don't try. Ve is there. Ve is what? Vakara. Vakara plus what? Ve is in the sentence.
Va plus U. Yes.
Va plus Vakara plus
U.
What is the letter here? Ve is there.
Shana. Ushana.
Vakara plus. No, please see here. Ve is equal to Vakara plus. I'm asking what is the other letter.
Really, sir.
This is not difficult. This is consonant vowel combination. Okay. I'm not asking any different thing. I'm asking a very simple thing. A is equal to Vakara plus not Sandhi. A nothing Sandhi. I'm just asking a simple question. Okay. Don't bother about that. This word at all. We are not talking about the word now. Okay. Forget about this word. Vakara plus A is equal to what?
Vu.
Come on.
Va. Vakara plus A is Va.
Vakara plus A is equal to what?
Va.
Va. I'm asking Ve is here. Is equal to Vakara plus what?
Vakara plus Va. So, Ve.
Huh?
No, Vakara plus Va. Ve.
Ve is equal to Vakara plus what? Still not getting.
Va plus A.
That's what I'm asking. Come on.
Yes. Okay.
Is it difficult? Is it difficult? That's what I'm asking. Vakara plus what? A. Right?
Okay. Yes.
That Ve is there in the word. Anveshana. So it is equal to Vakara plus A. Right?
Yes.
So here what A is there? A and after that Shana is there. Just copy Shana and put it here. A Shana. You have founded one word.
Yes.
So now Vakara must have come in the place of in the huh?
Yes, it's before. So A Shana.
Listen, I'm asking answer only my question. Vakara must have come in the place of what vowel? Yan Sandhi you are doing, right? Ik is replaced by Yan. I'm asking a simple question, the simple rule. Ik is replaced by Yan. So E is E U Ru. E U Ru will be replaced by Ya Va Ra La. Ikara is replaced by Yakara, Vakara is replaced by Ukara, and Lakara replaced by Lu is replaced by Lakara, and Ru is replaced by Repa. Now I'm asking what has been replaced by Vakara?
An.
No.
Anya. No.
You
Anni.
understand the question. You're not understanding the question. E is replaced by yakara. I myself have said the answer also. U is replaced by vakara. Ru is replaced by repa. Lu is replaced by lakara. In what place vakara must have come in this sandhi? It must have come in the place of u, right?
Yes.
Not a big thing.
Mm.
That's what I'm asking. It must have come in
Annu.
it must have come in the place of u.
Mm.
Vakara must have come in the place of u. They're talking about yen sandhi. What else?
Mm.
So vakara must
Anve.
have come. No, don't get into the sentence. Okay, just understand this first.
Mm.
Once you understand this, other sandhi can do it. If this is not clear, some confusion is there, then it will be a problem all the way. So vakara has come in the place of u. Now, what is the letter before vakara here in this nakara? An is there. That is an plus o is anu. That's what it is. Right?
Anu plus yes.
Is it difficult? Now tell me.
Yes, it's not difficult, but I have to practice more. Anu
Very-
plus Esham.
What is the possibility of getting stuck?
I don't know,
There
sir.
is
Really,
no
I
possibility of
stuck.
getting stuck. And not
I
only
don't
you,
know,
I'm
but
just saying for
really.
everybody. What's the possibility of getting stuck? The simple mathematical thing. Nothing else. Right?
Anu plus Veshana. Eshana. Anu plus
Eshana.
Eshana. Anu plus Eshana. Anveshana. Rupani Eva. Rupani plus Eva.
Yes.
Pani Eva.
Then
Asma Sviva. Asma plus Eva.
you try. Asma plus Iva, you will get the answer. Asma plus Iva, you said. You get the answer. A plus E.
Asma Eva.
Asma, you said Asma plus Iva. No, Asma plus Iva, Asma Viva only. Asma V. Okay. You can get Asma. Okay. Asmas. You have to type right like this. Asmas, then Iva. Iva is the right one. Yes, one word you have spot. What is the other word? Asmasva is there. Now tell me, what is that? Vakara has come in the place of?
Aswa.
No. Vakara. What you see, Vakara. Vakara must have come in the place of?
Place of.
Just now I said, the previous example also.
Yes. Swa.
Vakara has come in the place of Ensandi. In what place Vakara must have come?
No. 1 second.
You're talking about Ensandi. Ik is replaced by Yan.
Yan.
Vakara must have come in the place of U, right? That's what it is.
Yes.
So therefore, Sakara plus U is Su. Asma Su plus Iva.
Asma. Okay. Yes. Good.
Just now the Anveshana we say the same way. I think
okay. Yes.
You have to do homework. Okay.
I got it. Sub plus U. Yes, I have to do more practice.
This Sanskritam is every day. It's not only weekly ones. If the weekly ones, this problem will be there. So we have to do it every day. Then only Sanskritam will understand.
Yes.
That's why I ask you to do. Please do the homework. Okay. Now next person.
Thank you, sir. I'm really very sorry because of
I'm asking
me.
a simple question, right? Purva Para, what we discuss and what connection with that we are discussing, that we must be knowing. Now, next person, Manjula already you read that. Surendra not there. Okay. Then, Girjaji, you can read.
Yes, Guruji. Matra Nandaha.
Matru. Your name is not there.
I've already typed in the end that Guruji. My chance
No,
will
I don't
be
see it. I don't see it. It is
I
not
have
there
already
in the chat box.
again sent it now. Okay.
Not there. It is not in the chat box.
I
Do you
think,
want me to do
Mangaji,
it
you are
now?
not sending it to everyone. I think you are sending it to
Not sending to me also privately. I don't see any private chat message.
It's going to Kausalya Ramachandra. Everyone.
Yeah, that's
Sorry.
what you are
Yeah,
everyone.
it
Yeah.
looks like there was
That's the
some
problem.
mistake. It was going to Kausalya ji all the time.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Then she will
Kausalya
get
ji.
it. Then she will ask you to read. Okay.
Do you want me to read now?
Yes.
Okay. Matranandaha. Matru plus anandaha. Rukara plus a becomes ra. Raifa. My
Yeah. R is replaced by Repa. Rukara plus A is Ra only. If you say R is replaced by Repa, that is correct.
yeah. Okay. Mayakhilam. Mayi plus akhilam. No, akhilam.
Please do it. It will be Akilam.
Maya.
Dirghakara is that?
Oh, sorry. I wrote it in my writing. I wrote it. Mayakhilam. Mayi plus akhilam.
Yes, that's what it is. Mayi plus Akilam.
Yeah. Asatya. Asatyatma. Asatya plus atma.
No. That's not Satyatma. Read that again.
Sorry. Yeah. Asat. Asatyatma.
There is no Asat. Astyatma. You read that word first properly.
Oh, I made that mistake. Sorry. My writing is leading me wrong. Asat.
No, read the word. Read the word first.
Yeah.
What is the word?
Astyatma.
Astyatma. Yes.
Asti plus atma.
That's what it
Astyatma.
is.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sandhyabhyasaha. Sandhya plus abhyasaha.
Really? Sandhya plus abhyasaha, you get Sandhyabhyasaha.
Sandhi, sorry. Sandhi plus abhyasaha. Oh, I made all these mistakes. Sandhi plus abhyasaha. Harya Chatu. Haryar Chatu. Hari plus Archatu.
Very good.
Haryar
This is,
Chatu.
yes, this I appreciate. Ari, you have to spot that word Ari.
Yeah.
Should not get stuck with Arya.
No,
all this.
it is Archatu was there, so
the
other word should become Hari.
Since we are doing Yen Sandhi, therefore you have to see where is the Yen letter. And all these are, examples are connected with the topic only. Unconnected examples will not be given, right? So since we are doing Yen Sandhi, so therefore you have to spot where the Yen letter in the sentence, in the word, not sentence. So here Yakara is the Yen. So there you have to split. Yakara must have come in the place of?
Yakara in the place of E.
Therefore E. So E and here Ya is there. You see Ya is Yakara plus A. That's how you have to see it. You have to see that Ya as Yakara plus A. That is Ya. So this Yakara must have come in the place of E. Right? So therefore E is there. And what is the letter preceding the E? That is Repa is there. And before that Ha is there.
Hari.
So Repa plus E is Ri. Ari. Then A, and after that, what are the other letters? Ar, Cha, Tu. That's how you have to split.
Yeah.
Right? This
Dhatva-bhyasaha. Dhatu plus abhyasaha. Dhatva-bhyasaha.
Good. Next person now.
Narya. Sorry. Thank you.
Anjula ji. Anjula ji, please read.
Yeah, yes, Guruji. Sadhvacharah. Naryadharah. Nari plus Adharah.
Yes.
Sadhvacharah. Sadhvi plus Acharah. Samskrutyutsavah. Samskruti plus
Yes.
Sadhvacharah. Sadhu plus
Sadhu plus Achara. What should
yeah. Sadhvi is told. Yeah, Guruji, sorry.
I didn't hear that properly.
Sadhu. Yeah, Guruji. Sadhu plus Acharah.
Yes.
Samskrutyutsavah. Samskruti plus Samskruti plus Utsavaha.
Yes.
Kumarya Patat. Kumari plus Apatat.
Good.
Bhagirathyavaroohanam. Bhagirathi plus Avarohanam.
Yes, good. Bhagirathi is Ganga. Avarohanam, descending of Ganga. Bhagirathi, Avarohanam. Next person. Padmaji.
Oh God. Okay. Kidrish Asti. I know Asti and Kidr, it
Asti, you know, then you must be able to know the other word. One word is known, other known as word.
It is re will be replaced by re, so it must be.
No, you said Asti, then why you are going to re? Re will be there as it is. Asti is one word. What is the other word?
Kidrishyasti.
Again? Asti,
see, there
you
is
said.
Rish, right? Yes.
Asti, you had to see here like this. Asti, you have said already. Okay, that's correct.
Yes.
Asti. So remove Asti. What is left out? That is the first word.
Kidrish.
Kidrish. Then what about Yakara? What happened to that Yakara?
That
Yakara, you have split that into one split is Asti. Then Yakara still remains. Ya is Yakara plus A. That A is Asti. And what about Yakara? Yes, that's what it is. Now say, what is the word?
Kidri. Ya becomes E.
Yes.
Kidri. Oh. Kidri. I am not very confident. I'm sorry. Santyasmin. Asmin.
Go down to the next one. Let us do this one. Kidrish Yasti is there.
Okay.
We're not done this.
Oh, I'm so sorry. So it becomes Ikara because it is.
That's what it is. Ikara means, and you know it. Yes, Ya is what you see here. That is Yakara plus A. Right?
Yeah.
Asti already you said. Asti. Then Yakara is there.
So Kidri.
Hold on.
Sorry.
Yakara has come. Yakara must have come in the place of.
In the place of Yakara, in the place of Akara.
Really? Akara will come. Where is Akara coming here now?
Asti. It's not Yasti has become as Asti.
Right? Yeah, the place of Yakara. What would have been there in the place of Yakara? In some place, in the place of which Yakara has come. What is that?
In the place of, I mean, Akara is the Yakara, I mean, the letter A, right? Ya is replaced by A, right?
Ya is not replaced by Ya. What Sandhi is that then? Ik is replaced by Yan. That is Yan Sandhi, right? Some ik letters must have been there which is replaced by Yakara. What is that ik letter?
That ik letter will be Kidri E.
That's what it is. I'm asking that. Right? That's what I'm asking. E. Now you got E. Now tell me the word. You know it.
Kidri.
Where is Kidri? There is no Kidri. Kidru only is there. Kidri is there? Do you
no,
say
Kidri? Kidri plus where then Ika? I said the word E, but I don't know where the E fit in. Sharanji.
He doesn't. You just copy paste the other words here. In the place of E, Yakara has come. So what is now? Kidrish, which is there as it is. Just copy paste. You're leaving out the Shakara and you're reading Kidri. Where is Kidri? Okay. Kidru only is there. Reading itself is. That's what it is.
Oh God. I'm dumb. That's what it is.
Simple thing. All these are simple things. There's no difficulty in that. Okay. So you need to do some abhyasa.
Yes, I am doing.
What
I
difficult?
wanted. I was working it for 1 hour, so that's the
You
key.
take each word, split into right step by step. Understand one word clearly. Other word must be clear.
Okay. Kidrishi plus asti.
That's what I'm repeatedly saying to the other person also. I say the same thing. Yakara, yakara, ya means I'm saying ya is yakara plus a. That a goes along with the Uttarapadam. And yakara has come in the place of which ik letter? It must have come in the place of e. Then you just add it to the other consonants, other word in the Purvapadam. You get what it is.
Plus she. Yes, I got it. Finally, I got
Only
it. Thank you.
one letter we are interested, not the whole word. The whole word is going to be copy paste only. One letter that yakara is that has come in the place of e. That is what we have to spot it. Once you spot it, then you can split it. Right?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. You're very patient with me. I really appreciate it.
I don't know how better I can explain this.
No, I got it. No, you're explaining. It's not you are explaining clearly. It's my brain that is having difficulty. Now I got it. Ish plus e kidrishi. Yes, I got it. Sorry. You explained very clearly. Nothing on your part.
Kidrishi, it could be short e, it could be long e. That doubt, if it is there, I accept. That is a genuine doubt. Kidrishi, it's a short e or the long e. There is no short e. Kidrishi, the word is not there. It must be long e. Kidrishi plus asti. That you don't know, that I will accept. Okay, that is not known. See, kidrishi is a word. There is no kidrishi. Short e is not there. So kidrishi plus asti. Kidrishyasti. Even if you say short e, it doesn't matter. I will accept that. For as a Sandhi exercise, this is acceptable. Even though the word is not there, but at least you spotted it as a e. That is fine. Okay.
Okay, let's see if I get it clearly. Okay, Santyasmin. Asmin. Santi plus Asmin.
Yes, that's what it is. Santi plus Asmin. Yeah.
See, finally, after you took such a long time to get into this brain of mine.
Please do it. Continue,
okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm each letter. Patat yantaha.
Patati. First read the word
sorry.
properly.
Okay, I'm sorry. I have expanded, but still, okay. Patat yanyaha. Patati plus anyaha.
Okay, good. Continue.
Right?
Yes, continue.
You need to tell me because I'm...
Okay. When you say continue means it is right. Yes.
Okay, thank you. I'm new here. I'll get it. Jana itra yamba. Jana itra yamba. Triamba. Okay. Oh God, Triamba. Triamba. Forget Triamba. Jana is reply. Yakara. Oh, Jani. Is it Jani plus Atra Yamba?
Jani plus Atra Yamba. If it is Jani plus Atra Yamba, you will get Janyatra Yamba, you will get. But it is not that.
Jana. So it is.
Here it cannot do anything here. Here the word is as it is. So it's something has to do with here.
It has to, is it, the word is as it is?
Jana is as it is. Then here, the yakara you see that you have to split. You have to identify one word.
Jana yatriamba, Jana plus yatriamba.
No. Amba is one word. I've given you the word amba. What is the other word?
Okay. Amba. E plus Ra is, oh God, E is Amba. Triamba, oh God. Amba.
Amba is one word.
Okay.
Then what will be the
Then-
other word?
Tra, oh God, I'm so sorry. Please
Amba
help
is
me.
Amba is one
Amba
word.
is one word. You said Jana remains the same.
What has
Same.
come in the place? What would have come in the place of that? Yeah, what you see here. Yeah.
It would be a.
No. Please answer, listen to the question. What would have been there in the place of yakara? You see here, yamba is there. Ya is consists of yakara plus a. That akara is here. Now yakara is left out. Now this yakara, in the place of what this yakara would have come? In the end sandhi. Simple question. The same thing.
In the
Same thing
place
I'm
of
asking.
a, in the place of a, yakara would come.
Really? That's what end sandhi. What is end sandhi then?
Yes.
What is the stani? What is stani? What is the stani and what are the adeshas? End sandhi.
Stani would
Stani
be
is equilateral, right?
equilateral. Stani would be
Equilateral. That's what I'm saying. Equilateral is right. Equilateral. What are
yes.
the equilators?
E U
Evu.
E U E yeah.
Evu. Then what? Evu. R.
R.
That's okay. Just say E
Right?
U R L. These are the
Yeah,
equilators.
okay, rule. Okay, I have to see.
Where is akara now? You said yakara must have come in the place of akara. Where is akara in the ik? Pratyahara. Is it there?
E here
Is
that E
not there.
in the E place.
In the place of E, yakara has
Amba.
come. In the place of E, yakara has
Yes.
come. Therefore, E. Therefore, it is E. Jana E3. That is a word.
Okay, I got the amba. Then it's still rim Janai plus amba.
Then what will happen to tra, which is there in the word? We'll drop that.
Sorry.
Janayi is you're saying. What about the tra? Trayamba is there. What will happen to tra? Takara plus repa plus yakara. You will just drop that. How are you going to do that? Janayi 3. Here you have to see the letter yakara. That's what I'm saying. Yakara you see. Yakara is ya plus ya is yakara plus a. That a is here as amba, part of the word amba. And yakara is here. Yakara is here. Yakara must have come in the place of equilateral. Right? That's what yan sandhi is. Yan is the adesha. The letter yakara is the adesha in the place of e. Therefore,
so
Jana
Itri plus amba.
Jana Itri amba. That's what the word is.
Jana Itri amba. Oh God, listen to.
You need to do homework. Okay. Next person. I'm moving on to the next person.
I want to tell you, it's my lack of. I can promise you, I worked on it. I told you it was challenging for me. That's what I thought. Okay, I'll do it.
Continue to work. It will come. You need to.
Okay.
Adhikasya adhikam phalam. For getting more and more result, more and more abhyasa is required. That is only.
Yes.
This see, I'm asking when apple is there, orange is there. When orange is removed, what is there? I'm asking. It's a difficult question.
No, it's not. That is
apple
easy.
Is
but
there.
here,
that apple is there. That's what I'm asking. You say that apple is there. What is there? Yakara is there. In what place yakara must have come? Because the context is the yakara must have come in the place of ikara. You just write that letter E. Then you get Janayitri, the form you get it. Right?
Janayitri.
It's highly logical
yes,
and it is simple.
It's very logical. I agree with you, except apple and orange is a lot easier than this because of the language. I'll work on it, I promise.
For the beginners, it will be a problem, but we have done some examples. So now you try to keep on doing it. It will come. If it doesn't come, you have to do more abhyasa. Giving up is easy.
Erase it and I'll erase all this and do it again. That's the only way. I'll make
Okay.
more copies and practice. Okay. Okay.
I'm saying all this.
Sarvana-
I'm things to make you think. You think and you be independent. That's what I'm saying. Trying to
Yes.
do. So
You can be as open with me as possible.
it's okay.
I mean,
Fine.
it doesn't. Okay.
This to understand this more and more abhyasa is required, and you try to figure out the word by yourself. Put effort. Effort is there's a shloka. Acharyat padam madate padam shishya sumedaya padam saha brahmacharibhah padam kala kramena cha. A teacher can give only 25%. Another 25% comes from the student itself. Using his meda, he has to find out, figure out. Another 25% comes from the other students, discussing with other students. Another 25% comes in time. This is how knowledge is gained. So my contribution is only 25%. Okay. So this 75% depends on you and your discussion or your with others. Saga brahmacharibhyah. Another 25% will come. Still some doubts will be there. It is clear only in time. Everything cannot be known. Like you said, the example karyani. How you know it is a karyani? You need to know the language. Then you will be able to split that. Okay. Now moving on to the next person. Kausalya, please read.
Sarvan Yupakara Nani.
We should not read like that actually. Sarvan Yupakarani.
Okay.
Sarva, no pause there.
Okay. Sarvan Yupakaranani. Sarvani plus Upakaranani.
Good, yes.
Patat Yanu Bhavati. Patati plus Anubhavati. Putrya Gachati. Putri plus Agachati.
Good.
Anyan Yanya Nekani. Anyani plus Anekani.
Very good. Anyani, you have to spot that anyani. Otherwise, people will say anya plus anyena kani. That is not that. Anyani. Anyani is what? How do you decline that anyani? What is in? How do you decline? What is the vibhakti vachanam? Anyani.
Anyani Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam of the pratipadikam?
Anya.
Very good. Like Napumsakalinga. Palam pare palani. Anyaham anyam anyani. Anekam aneke anekani. Anekani. Anyani anekani. Right? Good. Continue.
Tvayi upapadyate.
Yes.
Tvayi plus upapadyate.
We have seen this somewhere. Where did we see this?
Gita? Gita?
Oh.
Okay.
You read the Gita class? Gita Moolam. We saw just recently.
Yes.
Shudram Hridaya Daurbalya. What is it? Klaibyam Asmakam of Partha. Naitatvayi upapadyate. Right?
Yes. Second.
Yetat tvayi upapadyate. Hey Arjuna, this doesn't befit you. Tvayi upapadyate. Okay, yes.
Janati Anuja. Janati plus Anuja.
Yes, next person. Priyaji.
Yes, Sri. Tadat yacharah tadati
yes
acharah
yes
Adyaksharami ati is it correct?
Your mic your mic or internet having some problem. It's not clear. Your voice is dragging.
I think I have a net problem. No.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Suddenly I had an instability in my connection. It popped up. That's why there's a voice.
Yes.
problem.
No, I can. It's clear. I can hear you. Please read now.
Ati plus is aksharami.
Ati plus complete. I didn't hear you.
Ati plus aksharami.
Aksharami. What is a new word? You're a new letter. Priyaji, your voice is not clear, so I have to move on to the next person. Okay, Shrutiji, please read.
Yeah is R, right?
No, your voice
Okay.
is
Okay,
breaking.
no
not clear.
problem.
Yes, Shrutiji.
Yeah, okay, Guruji. Atyashrami, ati plus ashrami.
Ashrami, yes.
Sampratyaham, samprati plus aham.
Yes, good.
Deepavaliyabhinandanam, Deepavali plus abhinandanam.
Yes, good.
Nagaryati, nagari plus ati.
Yes.
Ityabhidhiyate, ityabhidhiyate. Iti
Yes.
plus abhidhiyate.
Iti plus abhidhiyate. Good. Next person, Jyotiji.
Yes, Guruji. प्राचीनानि आभूषणानि कर्या गच्छति. करी अगच्छति.
Yes. Read again. Tell again.
कर्या गच्छति.
Okay.
करी अगच्छति.
Why agacchati? Agacchati.
It is,
Agacchati is that right?
it is ga.
Oh, okay. Gachati is it's a mistake. Okay. Yeah. Right. It is
Kari agachati.
agacchati only. It's a mistake. Yes. Kari is what is kari? Elephant.
Crocodile.
Elephant.
No. Kari is elephant. Okay. Kari is elephant. So kari plus agacchati.
वस्त्वाकारः वस्तु प्लस आकारः वचनानि आवाम.
So there's some noise in your end, Jyotiji. Vachanani
आवाम.
Yes, good.
सन्यासी अवतरति.
Good. Next person, Rajaji.
अस्म्य हमिति. Asmi plus ahamiti.
Yeah. Asmi plus agam plus iti. Good. Yes.
Yeah.
So you can see 3 words are there. All the words are known to you. It's not that it's not known. Asmi plus agam plus iti. Agam plus iti is melanam. There is no sandhi, right?
Yeah.
Agam plus iti is a sandhi? No. Agam plus iti is melanam. Just melanam is consonant vowel combination. Makara plus e, me. That is not sandhi. Between asmi and agamiti one is sandhi, right?
Correct.
Understand?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Abhyastya yam.
Again, read that.
Abhyastya yam.
Where is abhya?
No. Abhya.
It is abhyastyayam, not abhyastyayam.
Abhyastyayam.
Again?
Abhyastyayam.
You're reading pakara as bakara. Still that pronunciation to be corrected. It is up. It is not ab.
Okay, up. Okay. Apyastyayam.
Where is ab? Bakara is there?
It
is
pakara.
So pakara should be pronounced properly. Apyastyayam.
Apyastyayam. So apyasti plus ayam.
Apyasti plus ayam is correct. Fine. Apyasti also can be split. That's why 3 blanks are given. What is apyasti? That also can be split. 2 words are
plus api plus asti.
Very good. Api plus asti plus ayam. Apyastyayam. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Please
So
continue.
bhavadityayam.
Again read. Read again.
Bhavatityayam.
You see, you do the same mistake. You're reading takara as takara. Tamil influence is there. You know Tamil? You speak Tamil?
Yeah, yes, I speak Tamil.
Influence of Tamil is more. Bhavatityayam.
Bhavatityayam.
No, that's again wrong. It is Bhavatityayam. Read again.
Bhavatityayam.
See, not me. Sanskritam is very particular about its pronunciation.
Yeah.
Okay. That akshara, that letter should be pronounced as it is. Takara means takara. You cannot make it as the dakara. Right? And we have 4 takaras for other that ucharanam is very important. Which is, if it is alpa prana, mahaprana, mahaprana. Okay, so bhavati tyayam. Then only that when you say that you can understand the meaning. Otherwise, bhavati tyayam means bhavati. Think about something bhavati. Another word bhavati is there. No, here we are talking about bhavati. Bhavati is a kriya padam. Bhavati. Bhavadi, when you say bhavadiya, it means it refers to something else, some other word meaning something. That is not here.
Got it.
A mispronunciation will mean something else. That is why pronunciation is important.
Yeah.
Okay.
So bhavatityayam. So bhavatiti plus ayam.
Bhavati plus iti plus ayam. Right? What is bhavati? Bhavati we know it's a kriya padam. Right? Asti bhavati. That's what it is, bhavati. So it is
Bhudhatu.
less. Yeah, bhudhatu. Good. It is ikara, bhavati. Short e. Continue.
Apitityartah.
Apityattaha.
Apitityartah.
Okay.
Api plus iti plus artah.
Yes, good. Then.
So adyapyayam. Adyapi plus ayam.
Adyapi plus ayam. Okay, that is 2 words. Adyapi also can be further split. What
So
is that?
adi plus api.
It's a good try, but it is not. Adya plus api. It is Savarna Dirgha.
Adya. Okay.
Adya means today. Okay. It's okay. I understand this. Adya means today.
Okay, because I went by, because the takara is there. So
Yes, I understand. You went by yakara, that you would have made it. Adya plus api, adyapi. Savarna Dirgha. Adyapi plus ayam, ensandi. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it.
Next one.
Should I continue, Guru?
Yeah, next one you can do. Yes.
So, ityup kasmin.
Read again.
Ityap kasmin.
Yes.
Ityapi plus kasmin.
Ityapi plus ekasmin, correct. Ityapi also can be split.
So it will be iti plus api.
Iti plus api. That's what it is. Okay. I think I have done enough drilling of you today. It's
Good. Thanks a lot, Guruji, for your patience.
lot of drilling today. So you need to work on this.
Yeah.
Not only you, I'm just saying everybody. Some people become a nimitta for the whole class. That's how it happens. Not only here. One people become the nimitta for teaching the whole class. Okay. So we stop here. Please do homework. Okay.
Guruji.
You're doing homework. I'm not saying not doing, but understand. Understanding is very important. That clear understanding. There should not be any doubt. Whether it is Vedanta or Sanskritam, the clarity is important. Clear understanding. Till you get clear understanding, when I have to keep on saying do homework. Yes, Girijaji.
Guruji, before we go away, the last word,
which one?
Tvityadihi.
What is it?
Couldn't decide. The last word, Tvityadihi.
Last word, where is it? Is the screen?
Not on the screen. I have got it on my. I opened the document.
In exercise, last one.
Yeah,
Okay.
that Tvityadihi. I couldn't get it when I tried my homework.
Okay.
Adihi, I can. The last one
very
is.
good. Yes, that's what I wanted. Adihi, you spotted, right? Then what is left out?
Tvitu plus iva.
No. What is left out? Adihi. Adihi, remove it. Then what is left out?
Tvitva.
No. Please think and tell. Adihi, you have done it. Okay.
Yeah.
What is left out now?
Twit. Ati.
Tviti.
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 Tviti, that's what I'm asking. Adihi I've
Okay.
done. Tviti is left out,
Twi-
right?
Tviti. Okay.
Tviti, you remove iti from Tviti. What is left
Oh,
out now?
iti means, okay, iti is removed. It would be ti. I mean, va means it has to be vu there. Vu plus
Then,
e.
what is that?
Two.
Two. That's what
has
it
to be
is.
two
2 plus
plus
iti plus adihi. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now I got it. Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, this one I couldn't decipher. I tried and I was
As
not
far as
getting
possible, I've tried to give you the words which are known, which are used frequently.
it. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Guruji.
Okay, let's stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Today's
Guruji.
drilling was really
Dhanyavada.
good, Guruji. Thank you.
Dhanyavad Guruji.
Yes.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
Don't do one student, everybody else learn. Okay, it is not I'm teaching only to that student. To that
No,
student,
no.
everybody learns.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Whatever,
right.
see, everybody is susceptible to doing that mistake.
I know.
Everybody gets stuck up somewhere. Where is
Yep.
the problem? That has to be identified.
Yep.
Once that is identified and attacked, that is removed, it will never appear. That is how I teach. Whether it is right or wrong, I don't know, but that is how I do it.
That's fantastic, Guruji. We really
Sharanji,
Yes.
Sharanji, I really appreciate. Thank you for being patient. Okay, I don't know. Words cannot express. Yes, but I will get there. Okay,
Yes.
I have
Please
the
continue.
interest. I will
Guruji.
some way I'll get it. Okay, by practice.
Sanskritam,
Okay, thank you
one
very
advantage
much.
is knowing the language. Second advantage is makes your brain very sharp, makes you alert.
That's
See,
true,
for me, I got into Vedanta before knowing well verse. That's what now that Vedanta background. So I'm desperate. So I think that's my only motivation more than that. It is just Sanskritam, not for just language, for the Vedanta. So I will do that. Okay. Thank you. I
Thank you.
appreciate it. Okay.
Welcome.
Dhanyavad, Guruji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः ಗುರುಜಿ.
Swamiji, thank you
Dhanyavada,
so
Guruji.
much.
Welcome. Thank you. Rajeshwari also today. I mean,
Yes.
one of the person I subjected drilling today.
Last 15 days, actually, I don't get time for practice. So I was very, very busy in some ashram, some work. So I was really very busy. So I was not able to do practice. I'm really very sorry, and I do more practice, more and more practice.
Please continue.
Thank you so much for being patient with me. Thank you so much. And you also teach me how to be more patient. Thank you so much.
Dhanyawad.
Thank you so much. Dhanyavad.